Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Autobiography 4.4 V8 in Carpathian Grey. This car has previously had 3 owners. As you can see, you have 22-inch alloy wheels, giving the car a real sporty appearance. You also have a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. And as you can see, plenty of space there in the boot for things such as golf clubs, pushchairs, holiday luggage and shopping. Carrying on round the car and going towards the front, you also have electrically deployable side steps, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. Illuminated Autobiography tread plates and a gorgeous contrasting leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day or if you just want some fresh air. You also have a lovely leather headlining, giving the car a luxury feel. Cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving. So you've got grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl, or you can push it back down for auto. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera along with a 360-degree surround camera, which really makes parking and reversing a lot easier. You have heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer, and they are also massage with several different settings to choose from, which ensures every journey is relaxing. Touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with timed climate enabling you to set a temperature for when you get into the car. You also have ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from. That looks really effective in the dark, and you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. You can also turn off the deployable side steps if you don't actually want them on. You have controls on your wheel, so you've got a speed limiter and cruise control, along with blind spot monitor, which are all really handy for driving, especially along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must in the winter. Memory seats, ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle, and a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. You also have head-up display, enabling you to keep your eyes on the road. Now you can also adjust what's in front of you, whether that's the brightness, the positioning or content that you want to see. And this car has done 37,061 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a lovely autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.